Hi everyone! Welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're taking a quick before and after look at the installation of a rear seat golf bag attachment. This is specifically designed for our line of seat kits, but it also fits other seats with 1-inch armrests, and it's adjustable in width to fit if your armrests are between 43.5 and 47.5 inches in outside mounting distance. No tools required here, it just clamps down on the armrest to keep everything in place, except for that golf ball that you sliced way off out into Narnia somewhere. And it talks back less than your caddy. It was so easy to install, I even had time to go take a few Happy Gilmore hacks before wrapping up for the day. Step right up, folks, and see the amazing golf bag holder installer guy. We also have a golf bag attachment that installs to the safety grab bar accessory for our seats, allowing for 4 passengers and 2 bags. But that's another episode for another day. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.